Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Fall is one of my favorite seasons to decorate, and today I'm giving our front porch a cozy refresh. I picked up some pumpkins and mums during a recent pumpkin patch visit with my grandchildren on an absolutely perfect day, and I can't wait to mix them in with pieces I already have, like pillows, blankets, and even my summer planters that are still going strong. I'm also creating a new floral arrangement for the front door that will not only welcome my guests, but give a little nod to the fall decor inside. I am so happy that you are here, so let's get started. I love choosing mum plants this time of year, but honestly, I get so overwhelmed when I get there and I have a hard time picking a color. Tell me, what is your favorite color of mum for this time of year? I still don't know. I love them all and I always have a hard time choosing just one color. I still have my favorite part to put together. I'm really looking forward to putting a new floral arrangement together for the front door. It's going to tie everything together and give a little hint of the fall decor waiting inside, so stay tuned for that. recently shared over on Instagram the day that I spent at the pumpkin patch with my grandchildren, where I picked up the mums and the pumpkins. We have been going to this pumpkin patch for over 30 years. My mom started taking my children there, and now my daughter is continuing the tradition, and it is just so much fun. It was such a beautiful day, and a day that was filled with so many memories of the past 30 years going to this little pumpkin patch. But if you're not following me over on Instagram, I would love for you to come over, give me a follow, say hi, and if you decorate your porch for fall and share it on Instagram, I'd love for you to tag me in it so I can see what your porches look like. It's time to work on this basket for the front door. I have loved using this for the spring and summer, so I was excited to try something for the fall. And you may recognize one of these stems that I have used in other rooms in my home. I think it's my new favorite for the year, and I just couldn't pass up when Michael's had it on sale again at 70% off, and I thought it would be the perfect addition to this basket. And of course, I'm going to be adding a ribbon to it. And can you guess which one it is? I'll leave a link to my fall playlist so you can catch up on all the fall content I've shared so far, and you can see what I've done in the other rooms. I could not find my floral wire, so to attach the ribbon to the basket, I'm just going to use one of these floral pins and just push it through the basket in some of the holes and try to bend it down on the inside so that the bow stays in place. The next day, I did run out to my local grocery store and picked up one larger orange pumpkin to place in this planter and a smaller one to add to the front porch near the deep burgundy mums, and I think they were exactly the right little touches I need to finish this off. And that's the porch all ready for fall. I love how the pumpkins and mums from our pumpkin patch visit with the grandchildren bring so much life and color, and it feels so extra cozy with a few pieces I already had, like the pillows and the blankets. And I love the fact that I could still incorporate my beautiful petunia baskets that are still going strong. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? What was your favorite part? I hope this video inspired you to add some touches of fall to your front porch, no matter how big or how small it may be. And maybe you even got a few new ideas to try of your own. If you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe, like this video, and maybe share it with family or friends that you think would enjoy it. And my fall home tour video will be coming out soon. You won't want to miss that, as you will see all the rooms together and maybe even see a few changes that I have made along the way. And until I talk to you in my next video, guys, I hope you have a wonderful week.